Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, let us solve the next question, number 27, NEET Physics paper 2014. Let us solve the next question, that is question number 27. The resistances in the two arms of the meter breeze are 5 ohm and R ohm. So in a meter breeze we have two gaps. One is the left gap, one is the right gap. 5 ohm is here, R ohm is here, and the balancing point is when the resistance R is shunted, and the balancing point is obtained as L1 and 100 minus L1. This is L1, this is 100 minus L1. This is the first situation. In the second case, we have when the resistance R is shunted with an equal resistance, the new balance point is 1.6 L1. So in this situation, this is 2.5. This R is shunted with another R, so this is in parallel, and the balancing point, this reduces and the ratio increases. So this should increase from L1 to 1.6 times L1. So this is 1.6 L1 and this is 100 minus 1.6 L1. This is the point corresponding to which the current to the galvanometer is 0. This is the null point obtained at this position. Its total length is 100 centimeter. So if this length is L1, this would be 100 minus L1. So when I make a slight change in parallel combination of equal value, then I have another null point here, which is 1.6 L1 from this end. So the remaining length will be 100 minus this length. Because this is the null point, we know that the ratio of the resistances is equal to the ratio of lengths. The ratio of resistances must be equal to ratio of lengths. So we have got two equations and we have got two unknowns, R and L1. So we can solve this question. The value of resistance R is asked, so we have to find this value. So in this situation, the equation will be 5 over R. 5 over R is L1 over 100 minus L1. This is equation 1. From in this situation, 5 over R by 2. Why it is R by 2? Why it is R by 2? Because these two are in parallel. So product by sum. So product by sum. So it is R by 2. This is equal to this divided by this. So 1.6 L1 divided by 100 minus 1.6 L1. So in this situation, this 2 will go up and this will become 10 divided by R. 10 divided by R is this much. This is the equation number 2. So we have to solve these two equations, that 5 over, this is 2 times 5 over R. I'll write 5 over R is L1 over 100 minus L1. That I will substitute this value in this expression 5 over R, because 2 will go up. So 5 over R is this one. So this times 2. This times 2. This times 2. So I multiply 2 here, multiply 2 here. So this is actually this one, and that is also equal to this one, which is equal to 1.6 L1 divided by
3. Start.
Divided by 100 minus 1.6 L1. So this from here I'll get L1, then I'll put that in any equation to get R. So now this will be 0.8. This L1 and this L1 will cancel. I cross multiply, I'll get 100 minus 1.6 L1 is 0.8 into 100 minus L1. This is 80 minus 0.8 L1, and this is 100 minus 1.6 L1. This goes to that side, that goes to other side, so it becomes 20, and this becomes 0.8 L1. So from here L1 is 20 divided by 0.8, which is 200 by 8, which is 8 2s are 16, 4 and 0 40, 8 5s are 40. So it is 25 centimeter. When I get length as 25 centimeter, I will just move to any one of these equations to get the value of R. I put L1 here, 25 here, 25. I'll get the value of R. So from equation from equation 1, I have 5 over R is L1 divided by 100 minus L1. I'll put L1 equals to 25 here. So I'll have 5 divided by R is 25 divided by 100 minus 25. This is 25 divided by 75, which is 25 3s are, so it is 1 by 3. 5 over R is 1 by 3, so R is 15 ohm. This is the answer to this question. R is 15 ohm. So if I see the options, then option number 2 is correct. It is 15 ohm. This was just a simple question, and you have to just solve these two simultaneous questions, equations to solve the answer. So thank you.